Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the text padding for your drawings and diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So in the first step, guys, navigate to your diagram on Google Drawings. Let me go with this example grid diagram here. Next, highlight the text, for example, of a cell or text box. You may also insert a text box here at the top. I will go with that example text box of that diagram here. Highlight the text. Click into Format Options, navigate to Text Fitting, expand it, scroll down, and under Padding you may adjust the top, bottom, left and right padding by entering the value here, the number, or by using these up and down arrows, and you will see the padding here for left, for bottom, for top and for right. And also see the marker here on the ruler for it. Of course, it may change if you resize the text box, so make sure that the text box correlates with the padding setup here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.